did quit a very, very high growth job just to lose weight. Decision until I'm crazy. There was a lot of burnout, and I'm not using burnout word lightly. It was actual burnout. We worked 24/7 and we enjoyed it thoroughly. But then when you realize it's not your dream, your brain hurts. This whole thing is not to make corporate bad, just to make it clear to you that this is what corporate is. It's neither bad nor good, but this is what it is. And you can do whatever you want to do with this information. Die out of exhaustion. Want to burn yourself out? Let's say you got into Google. I also want to get into Google. But if I do get into Google and I am miserable there, and if I still work there just because it's Google, such a your tombstone wouldn't have, oh, Google's employee. Nobody will write that. Nobody will remember that. You should be employed to do your job, not to put your soul, blood, sweat, and tears into it. This is not me telling you, oh, quit your jobs, quit your jobs. But what I am telling you is realize sooner that it will never be your company, it will never be your dream, it will never be your project or anything you own. It can never be yours. The minute you're out of that company, nobody cares. You yourself as well, you won't care after a while. Build your own thing. I am not telling you to start a tanda business. Like go after your dreams and like make time for your dreams and your passions and hobbies and create it in a way that you enjoy your life. It should never become, for me, it's creating content. This, yes. And also living my life to the fullest. And by that, I mean running around and like playing badminton without, feeling like I might die, hiking a mountain without 10 people trying to push me up because I can't do it by myself because I'm physically unfit to it. This whole channel is not about losing weight. It's about getting fit. It's about living life to your fullest. It's about understanding this process of getting fit. If you are expecting, oh, gym, oh, let's go gym, let's do diet, let's do this, let's do that. I'm not going to do that. You're going to be very, very disappointed. This is not that channel. This is, yes, getting fit, but through ways and means I have to inculcate by myself and the thought process behind it. How do I do it? For example, I order a lot of food. Like I generally order extra food thinking, oh, this might not be enough for me and I might not be able to take it, get it again. Or this I am missing out on great food or something. Even though it's just Peseret too and I ate it like a million times in my life, I used to order it again just because maybe this might be different. Oh, I have to try this, or otherwise, same here today as well. As I sit down and I am trying to record this video, I try to order multiple things and then I told myself, you know what, I am alone, I'm just talking to my camera. I can't eat a lot. Am I going to go back and eat? Is there food in my room back, and is there something that I'll go back and eat? Yes, there is food, and I might go back and eat again. So there's no point in ordering multiple things right now. So I didn't order any yet. And I gave myself permission to just get one thing. And if I eat it and I love it, and if I want something more, I can get it. And it took me 10 minutes to process that just sitting here. This is how I am trying to get fit. This is how I am trying to change my mind. This is how this is the choices that I am making. And to do all of this, I needed time. I needed time in my life to spend on myself, and my job was not letting me do that. It consumed me so much that I forgot I didn't want to bathe. I became one of those corporate uglies. I never cared what I was wearing. Nobody cared what they were wearing. It was a mess, but we earned crores of money, crores and crores of rupees. I didn't get a single cent. I did not get a single cent of money. I know it's not my money, it's the company money. We worked so hard on it and we got all of that, but it's not an achievement or anything. There's nothing I'll get out of that. Nothing except experience. This is not this is not me telling you quit your job, quit your job, quit your job. This is me telling you make time. Have clarity. If you have dreams, chase your dreams. This is take this on a funny note, but what is the difference between animals and us? Dreams. They also have sex. They also, have kids. They also get married. They also have a spouse. They also die. They also get birth. The only thing that is different from us and animals, dreams. For me, this year, it's getting fit and living my life to the fullest. I will show you what I'm going to do, and I will show you how it's going to be. It's going to be a fun ride, a little bit of gym. I want to go to gym. I want to have fun. To you, and I would love to know what you think about all of this. I love to just chat. So I'm just going to blah 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 blah. Chill job right now. I'm chilling. Then I am posting, and I am trying to get fit. Oh, I think I covered everything. I did cover everything, didn't I? And the pasta is so good. It was my first time having a pesto pasta. Like, and veg pasta because it the Paurnami, and my mom said if you eat non-veg today, you're going to have so much papam for the next however many lives. If I eat chicken, any non-veg today, so I didn't. So I ordered a veg pasta, and it was very. I mean, I still have it. I'm going to eat it. I'm salivating. Oh my god! That's that. I will see you the next time, and tell me what you think about all of this. I'd love to read. I want to know what you think. Either you're my friend, my sister's friend, or some stranger on the internet. Hi, I'm Ashrita. I'm 23 years old. I'm trying to get fit, and it's going to be chaotic. If you want to stick around, subscribe. Subscribe. Bye.